say if you drop two bullets from the same height, one just let go and the other fired straight out of a gun, they'll hit the ground at the same time. Sounds wild, right? But that's because gravity doesn't care whether something's moving sideways or not.
As long as there's no lift, gravity pulls on both objects the same way. So, in theory, both bullets should land at the same time. To test this out, Adam started with a simple experiment using steel balls instead of actual bullets. First, he dropped a steel ball straight down from a fixed height. Then, he launched a second one horizontally using a spring-loaded device on a table. A high-speed camera was set up to capture the exact moment each ball hit the ground. The dropped ball hit the floor in 401 milliseconds. The launched one landed in 403 milliseconds. Just a 2-millisecond difference. That's practically nothing. So, based on that, the myth looked pretty legit. But next came the real deal, an actual bullet test. First, they had to figure out how far a bullet would travel horizontally before it hit the ground. So they mounted a gun on a 1.2-meter high stand and fired at targets set up 100, 200, and 300 feet away. From the bullet holes and trajectory, they found that the bullet hit the ground somewhere between 300 and 360 feet. To get precise, they laid white paper on the ground in that range. Eventually, they pinpointed it. The bullet landed exactly 360 feet away. Now for the big finale, the ultimate test in a contest. They set it up inside a 480-foot-long facility with zero wind to mess things up. Jaime built a custom rig that held a second bullet using an electromagnet. The moment the gun was fired, the magnet switched off, dropping the second bullet straight down. The rig was positioned right where the first bullet was expected to land, 360 feet away. The gun fired, both bullets dropped, and guess what? It worked. The fired bullet made a slight skid mark where it hit the ground. The high-speed camera captured it all, and the two bullets landed just 0.00096 seconds apart, nothing more. That tiny difference, just gravity doing what it does. It was a beautiful, almost perfect demonstration of physics in action. Myth confirmed, almost.